documents. They're called infographics. They're on there. LegalShield Engage. The back office, you'll see them listed there. One is for the small business plan on the left. One is for the group, the employees on the right side. But just look at what some of those individuals are saying. And that one with the close sign really get homes, because it said 25% of all business owners have considered closing their doors due to legal challenges. And that simply means they have considered closing their doors. So that shocks me, because if a LegalShield associate, including myself, would just go out and let them know, hey, we have something in place for them. And then in the middle with the clock, 25% of owners spend 3 to 5 hours a week on legal matters that they're not proficient in handling. So that is what our law firms do for them. And then you have the employee side or the side. Use these as surveys when you go out and talk to individuals. But we got 15 days left in this month.